Alright, well, there is a problem. Darian's lab is way too bright. It would just illuminate the room. 6.67 times 10 to the negative 11 newtons meters squared per kilogram squared times. Alright, what's the mass of the first object? 15 kilograms, right? And the other is the same, so you could have squared it. I didn't, but I did, and I didn't mean to. There, we're good. No, I can't talk and write at the same time. And then we got 35 centimeters. Well, what do we know about 35 centimeters?
0.35.
It's 0.35 meters. You've got to do that. If you do that, and you put 35 centimeters there, I will put a big red X on it, and then I'll cry. So, all right. So just in your calculator, go 6.667 times 10 to the negative 11 times 15 squared, which would be 225, and then divide that by 0.35 squared. And get 1 point dose times, I'm sorry if you don't speak Spanish, that's 2.
That's the answer.
Yes. It's on now. All right.
So Fred, why
Yep.
is it when I type this in, I get 4.28?
Are you putting shoes in the right place?
You didn't square 0.35. What was the next problem? 55?
191.
Okay. 55. Tom has a mass of 70 kilograms, and Sally has a mass of 50 kilograms. Tom and Shelley, or Sally, whatever her name is, are standing 20.0 meters apart on the dance floor. Sally looks up and sees Tom. This is beautiful. She feels an attraction, but if the attraction is gravitational, find its size. I found myself lately being attracted to the earth. Okay. Anyway, assume that both Tom and Sally can be replaced by spherical masses. Okay. Yeah.
They yell.
All right, 70 times 50. And that's going to be all over the 20 squared, right? I left units off because I was going to run over it. 6.67 times, you know, you may want to put that number in your calculator under the memory. Times, you did that, didn't you, Gabe? Didn't you put it in your calculator under no, that was you, Sam?
I'll take credit for it. No.
I did too. No, I did at certain levels,
Yo.
How do you put that number in your calculator?
Store. The button that says stove. Stove that.
So it's 5.84 times 10 to the negative 10. I hate to tell you, but I don't think they're very attracted to each other.
Yeah.
Question.
Anything less than 10 times 10 to the negative 9 isn't really love. Yes.
Wouldn't the divided by 20 squared only be for that part?
It doesn't matter.
It doesn't.
You still have more.
The reason the equation is set up like it is because of the definition. Definition says it's directly proportional to the masses. That's the reason they set it up as the product of the masses being in the numerator. All right, can we keep going?
Yes, sir. 192 page, 192 page, 192, number 56.
Number 56. All right, two balls have their centers 2 meters apart. And one has a mass of 8 kilograms, the other has a mass of 6 kilograms. What is the gravitational force between them? Well, instead of this, it would be 6 and 8. And instead of 20, it would be 2.0. So, six times 8 times 6.67. All right, how is it you score a number in the calculator?
You hit the stove button.
I hit stove and it says answer.
So you pick a letter. You pick a letter like alpha.
Okay, you
A.
pick a letter. So I'm gonna let this be cap G. So it's gonna be G, okay?
You hit enter.
Push enter.
No, every
Yeah.
time you put in
So every time you
G,
press G,
it's the
it'll
number.
come up.
But why did it? Oh, okay. I know what I gotta do. I gotta type in my number. 6.67 times 10 to the negative 11, and now I push enter, right? And now I push stove, and then it's gonna be G, and I'm gonna push enter, and it's in there. So now, whenever I push G, that number will come up. Okay. That rocks like Cleveland. All right. So I've got G times 6 times 8 divided by 4. And I got 8 times 10 to the negative 10 newtons. Everybody good with that? Okay, now, chances of me picking up this calculator again are probably pretty slim. Yeah. Before I didn't have a shot. Alright.
57.
The answer to 57 was 6.5 times 10 to the negative 8 newtons. Do I need to work that one? Alright, what was next? 61? 69. Yeah, we skipped 61, didn't we? Alright, 69 is a good one. This is one dealing with the something orbiting the sun, right? So it says the period is 74 years. Alright, we need 74 years in terms of seconds. So how do we convert 74 years to seconds?
Multiply by 365. Not divide, multiply. You multiply.
365 days is equal to 1 year.
Then you
Then hours to a day.
24. And then do the 3,600 seconds.
Yeah, seconds. In 1 hour.
You get 243090000.
You get what?
24309.
243. Duh. 243.
24309.
Slow down. He can't write that fast.
0 0 0 0 0.
Looks like Emil's grades right in there. Okay.
Which way? To the left or to the right?
Alright, just all those zeros kind of reminded me of it. Okay, let's see what we got here. That is my seconds, right? So, that's my period. 2, 4, 3. Why didn't write it down here? I don't know. This is still left over from calculus, Braylon. My brain's gone. And I need 4 more zeros. Alright.
One more.
Is that enough?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And that is going to be equal to 2 pi,
Bless you.
bless you,
Thank you.
square root of
R cubed.
r cubed. What is my radius here? That's what we need, isn't it? So it's going to be r cubed, alright, over. Now, what is the mass, no wait, I need g first, right? And then what is the mass of the sun?
Supposedly it's 1.99 times 10.
Yeah, I still think those bathroom scales probably melted when they got that close, but anyway. I'm just glad my jokes never get lame.
You like to think so?
So I need to square. I'm going to take this and divide it by 2 pi. So we have 2, 4, 3, 0, 9, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0.
Is that R squared or cubed?
Cube. It's r cubed. And this formula here I will give you on the test.
Okay. That helps.
I'll probably forget, but y'all will tell me I forgot and I'll put it on the board. And I'll be mad at y'all for not remembering it anyway.
Is that 1.99 times 10 to the third? D?